Quickly, we're going to be unboxing the DJI OM 4 smartphone stabilizer. There's a lot of reviews on this thing already, so if you guys want a more in-depth one, please head over there to look at them. But right now, I'm just going to do an unboxing, slight overview of what it is. This is one of the magnetic ones, the fancy one with a magnet. Instead of it just having that hold, it actually has a magnet and it clips on pretty tight. So we're gonna open her up, and I found the scissors for it. Just a thing, and get in there. What I'm using is these Klein snips, guys. So inside this box is a DJI OM 4 device, a magnetic phone clamp, storage pouch, power cable, grip, tripod, magnetic ring holder, as well as a wrist strap and manuals. We're gonna find out how to open this thing very carefully. Very carefully. Oh, it's right here. See a little thing now, but I think I already tore it. There. Woo. Create magnetic moments. Zoom in there. Step 1 would be to attach the magnetic holder to the cell phone. Step 2 would be to attach the magnetic cell phone holder to the DJI OM 4. And then I believe this means to unfold the DJI OM 4 and then download the app. I think it's just simple as that. Whoa. Styrofoam. Okay, so we're gonna open, have this thing. Okay, fine, let's do this first. This feels fancy. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get one of our cell phones. And I'm gonna choose my iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, I believe, or is it 11? I don't know. It says to attach that first. So I'm gonna attach it. And next would be attach this to this. Come on, guys, okay. Whoa. This is very odd. Oh, okay. Make sure that's on. Come on. I think I'm obviously doing this wrong. Yeah. Oh, there. Got it. There you go. So when you actually try to put this thing on, you're gonna see that it goes on a specific way. You wanna match that up to the back. See that little that part that goes there? You wanna put that there. If it's not on there right, it'll pretty much let you know. Okay. Now what it says to do is actually install the application. But before we do that, we're gonna look more into this. This is an Osmo, this is the handbag, almost a gritty microfiber. But this is the actual bag that it can go in, a carrying bag. That's what's in this. Also, this is wrist strap, which I do recommend. And I believe this is for putting on the ring holder, which I do not want to put on, so I will not do so. It also comes with a tripod that goes on the actual bottom of this. But we're gonna put that on after we actually download the application. So I'm gonna go to the App Store. I'm gonna type in DJI Mimo app. Not quite. There you go. DJI Mimo app. That's it there. Get. I have to literally show face. And now it's installing. And inside here, you have looks like a USB Type-C cable, as well as My least favorite part, the silica gel. Accept terms and conditions. Okay, here it is. So at the very top, you're gonna click on tap here to connect to device, the little camera. And you see device connection. Let's turn it on. I'm guessing that's a red button here. Oh, right there, I guess the M. There's an M right there, looks like a power symbol. I'm gonna click and hold that. Makes a funny noise. Okay, and then it found it there. It says OM4 with a number. Now, we click connect. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, agree to terms and conditions. Activate your DJI device when you connect it for the first time to receive warranty. Okay, next. Please activate after login. Login and create an account, guys. Oh, it's already doing some work. Oh, what the heck? One moment, like, what the heck? Weird. All right, now that I've logged in, I'm gonna go next. Now install a phone. Install the phone before activating, as the gimbal might jitter because of unevenly distributed loads. That's what she said. All right, let's go on. Now we're gonna click activate. Register device, blah, blah, blah. Keep the app open. Do not leave the current page. Confirm activation info with the server. Oh my gosh, stop for the surveys. Can I please set this thing up? Activation success. Oh my gosh. All right, to balance your mobile phone, adjust the position of a magnetic phone clamp. Make sure both sides of the clamp are aligned evenly as indicated. Okay. Looks good to me. Move the joystick up and down to control the tilt axis. Move the joystick left and right to control the pan axis. Okay, so right, left, up, down, okay. Press once, take a photo or start recording, or start or stop recording is that red button there. And to burst shoot, when in photo mode, press and hold that recording button. When powered off, press once, check battery level. So this M right here is to check battery level. And to press and hold is to power it on, which we did before. That's when it's powered off, by the way. So when it's powered on, press it once to switch between photo and video mode. That's the M button. I believe that's for mode. Press twice to switch between landscape and portrait mode. That's cool. Press and hold until it beeps once. Enter or exit standby mode. That's to make it go to sleep. Press and hold until it beeps twice. It's still completely powered off. I'll show you guys that. Now on the side here, I think this is tilt, push up or down to zoom in or out. And that's gonna be these buttons here. Oh. All right, and this button here on the back, this trigger, press and hold to enter lock mode, release to exit lock mode. So you press and hold it and it enters lock mode. So I guess it doesn't move, and you release it to exit it. Press once to start or stop active track. So I think you look at something or someone, click on it, and then it'll start active track. Click it again for active track off. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Okay, I believe that's trying to recenter. Twice. Press 3 times to switch between front and rear cameras. Press once and then press and hold. So boom, and press and hold to enter sports mode. I believe that's for the fast-paced things. To charge it up, you're gonna use that the USB Type-C cable and the USB Type-A and plug that into the wall through a charging port. I don't believe that's included. And then you can check out tutorials and fun techniques in the DJI memo. So of course right now it's down like a firmware update. And I can't, can I please see the screen? Can I, please? Download. Finally finished with that 0.5 megabyte freaking, okay. All right, let's click done. Let's access your camera. Sure, why not? Access your microphone, why not? Okay, looks, it's not moving. Slide to select shooting mode, camera filter start. Okay, what a great start. Let me see if I can't really show you because it's so responsive. Okay, device. All right, so I think I'm finally controlling it now. So let's turn her around. It's taking a while. Okay. All right, let's turn. Okay, how far around can you go? I think that's it. Let's hurry up. Go, go, go.
EdDoesTechEd.